Come test drive the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.